Hey, this is Michael, and I want to thank KEDSUM for sending me a sample of their 3-in-1 folding hand truck with 6 wheels. This has 3 different modes of operation. It's pretty easy to put together. You do have to do a slight amount of assembly. You just have to attach the wheels to the frame. They give you the tools that you need, so there should be no problems there. Took me maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to put it together. Very simple. So this is a folding hand truck. First off, I just love the fact that it's so compact. I can just put it against the wall. I could hang it somewhere. I could put it in a closet. Takes up very little space. Now it has 3 different configurations. It's the conventional hand truck configuration, so you can just extend the handle like this, flip down the platform, and you've got a 330-pound load capacity on this right now as a hand truck. And we can just put stuff on here. You can wheel it around wherever you need, and it's a hand truck. What can I tell you? Very easy. So for the next configuration, the 6-wheel configuration, we can just slide this down to here, lift this up, and then we can put it down. And this is the 6-wheel tilted handle cart position. Now in this position, you can load this up with about 600 pounds. Now the third way you can configure this is to slide this plastic piece down to lock this handle into a vertical orientation. The advantage is that you get the ability to secure your load a little better. If you've got boxes on here, you know, they're all going to be a straight line here as opposed to being able to fall over. You are limited to about 330 pounds in this configuration. But this is it. I just love the fact that I can put more material on it this way, but if I just need a simple hand cart, then I can flip this up, flip this down, and we're just back in a simple hand cart mode. And then it folds up for easy storage when you're all done. Very reasonably priced too. And that's the KEDSUM 3-in-1 folding hand cart with 6 wheels. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped you out, and we'll catch you the next time.